brought him the book of the Venice Biennale, and I just said, this is it. The plan is I'm going to make a small video bago pa lang yung lengthwise na monitor. Meron ako nun, tapos meron ako maliit. Sabi ko, I'll choose movies. I want my mom's movies, yung Alabok sa Lupa, where he would say he won his first famous award. He played the priest. In many ways, he's a priest in our community. But then, so I was with the daughter of Mr. Sirio Santiago coming here, and the positive, is it called, of Alabok sa Lupa and ang pagbabalik ng Lawin were handed over to me. As in like a ritual, and there were lights. There were all clay lights, and my ninong teaches symbolically. Isang beses lang ako nasuntok, but then kasi yun naman, that's with Tita Chato. But then the symbol of me getting the positives to be transferred into video was something that connected us again. And I told Tag, because I was a bit lazy, I told Tag, let's just show it na lang. I won't edit it. No, you have to give it a new version. You have your ninong, we cannot show it at Ayala because of copyright, etc. So I go, okay. So I edit the film. It starts in black and white with, there's my mom being beaten by Paquito Diaz, him saving my mom, etc. And then me in the colored, in the small monitor, because there were two monitors. There was a big one, the black and white one, and there was a monitor here. So the black and white was here, and there's one. I was so proud opening night. It wasn't that attended, but people were like, okay. So I thought I was going to film then as a platform for me to express myself, but that was my last video installation here in Alliance Francaise. I'm going to use national artist Nora Honor. I got permission for the 14-minute close-up of dementia. I'm going to use it as a video installation.